Alright, so I only got about 3 minutes, but got the axe, haven't oiled the handle yet. Put some measurement markers on there and my initials, so it's my axe. We're going to try and see if I can cut this. Like I said, small axe in the last video. I apparently can't aim either. Alright. Not bad for not a really sharp axe. I haven't sharpened it yet. This is an ash tree that me and a coworker cut down. I got piles of it everywhere. I still got about an 8 to 10 foot log over there. For not being very sharp, it's actually cutting through this ash with relative ease. Not bad for an axe that I haven't sharpened yet. This is just a dead ash tree that we cut down. As you can see, worms, all that stuff. But not bad. Got a little stump I was cutting on. Got a bunch of these little branch pieces. Cuts through it pretty good. Now once I put an actual edge on that, oil this handle, got a nice little 28 inch, 2.5 pound axe.